Hey there, it's Brian, the creator of Smart Connections, the Obsidian plugin, and the Smart Connect app that enables you to connect your notes to ChatGPT without uploading all of your data to the cloud. I wanted to answer a common question, which is how can ChatGPT answer questions based on your notes without uploading all of your data to the cloud? The answer is that the Smart Connect app enables opening a connection between ChatGPT and your local desktop. So this way, only information that is relevant to your current conversation is utilized by the AI. When you ask a question and ChatGPT retrieves context from your notes, it makes a query that goes from ChatGPT to your local computer and is handled by the Smart Connect app, and the Smart Connect app running locally on your computer uses that request to find what is the relevant data that ChatGPT needs to answer your question. So why don't you want to upload all your data to the cloud? From a security standpoint, having data stored on the cloud is a vulnerable position to be in. While there are ways to protect stored data, it's not an easy solution, and there's always a certain level of bad actor that will be able to circumvent most modern security implementations. So instead of worrying about how can I protect all of the data of the Smart Connect users, Smart Connect simply does not store any of your personal data on the cloud. The reason this can be done is because of the Smart Connect app, which is powered by the same open source software that powers the Smart Connections Obsidian plugin. So this way, all of your data stays local, and when you need a specific piece of information, the Smart Connect app can provide that piece of information to ChatGPT through the official Smart Connect GPTs or your own custom Smart Connect GPT. So that's how Smart Connect enables ChatGPT to answer questions based on your notes, based on your data, without putting all of your data in a vulnerable position somewhere on the cloud. I hope that clears things up for anybody that has this common question about Smart Connect. And thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing you around the community.